Hey everyone, welcome back to another honest review. This time I'm reviewing Syndlab. And if you want free traffic fast from SEO without doing much work, this is something you want to check out, especially in my review. And if you check out my review, you also see my bonuses. I have a really good bonus package that's going to really supercharge your results. You're going to love it. But that's later in the video. Now, what is Syndlab? What does it do? First off, it's about content syndication. So we understand these days that to get SEO traffic, to rank, okay, this is the dream. You have two main ways, right? Two elements, on page, off page. On page SEO is all the changing of titles of your page. You know, the page you're trying to rank, the titles, make it an SEO friendly, right? And you have the other off page, which is content. Anything that leads back into the anything that's high quality leads back into the actual page, making it rank. And if it's super high quality or it's authority sites, it can rank for a long time. This is where content syndication comes in. You take one piece of content and you can post it with using the software to over 30 networks at the same time, social networks which have authority. So this gives you the ability to not only rank fast but also rank for a long time. This is why content syndication is so powerful. And we're going to get started and check out the actual software. So it's very simple. After you add your accounts, your social accounts and everything, account group, do all the basic setup, okay, of the networks, you go ahead and you add a campaign. This is simple, but it does take a few minutes of setup, obviously. Account group, we're going to take account group ZB campaign, has 22 social networks. Test, no, actually I have a test 2 campaign. Okay, test 1, 2, cool. Post all of your content at once, create. Now it's gonna say, hey, almost done, okay, cool. Now you can actually go ahead and edit and create the content. And this is where it gets tricky, right? For someone who is who doesn't have endless content and he doesn't know where to get content. So let's say you're promoting, let's say you want to rank a video or a article or both for an offer you're promoting on JVZoo or on ClickBank. Okay, so let's say you want to do that. So at this point you need to find the content, you need to build your content, the blog title, everything, tags, all those things. This takes time, this takes research. Okay, and the software, you see, the software goes ahead and syndicates content, but it doesn't create the content, and you need to do this manually, and you need to find the offers to promote. You need to do all those things manually, content, everything, but this will actually generate the effect of the SEO. So after you finish everything, okay, let's try and create, because this will take some time. Text here, just random stuff, okay? Tags here, blog content here. Video and no energy. Google.com, so bookmarks, tags, comments. Okay, after you're finished, it goes ahead and says campaign in progress. Okay, and it starts syndicating. It already started syndicating, which means it will be posting it to 23 networks as we speak. Okay, it started the process, and that's it. That's how simple it is. The only con that I do have, and I wrote it in here, is you can't edit a campaign after creation. So we just created a campaign, I saved, and I didn't know it's gonna go live, and the moment I saved, boom, it's live, it started, and I can't go ahead and edit or cancel. I think there should be an option to, like, after you create it, to on and off. Like, once you click on, it will give you a warning, like, once you clicked on, it's gonna start, you can't take it back. But some kind of warning or something like that, to, you know, you can pause it, but you know, what about editing and stuff? I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, that is the only con that I found so far. But once again, the idea of content syndication is there. Now you need to understand that this is a second version of a product. The first version, Syndlab Pro 1.0, went live about 9 months ago or something like that, and they made some upgrades since then. And let's read those upgrades together. So they're saying completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications. Upped There are syndication integrations from 21 to 30 sites. This is great. 30 sites. The more the merrier, trust me. Added RSS feeds to your campaign to allow you even further syndication and indexing. Added campaign cloning that I saw to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication integrated with #1 sharing site Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign results in just one click, and much more. I don't know. So this is very simple. It takes content and it makes it rank. It makes your target URL rank faster. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the results. I saw this, and honestly I don't see that on many launches, so this is a really refreshing thing. So this is called submit your testimonial below. It's a page they created, and they sent an email to the Syndlab customers and told them please submit their testimonial, right? And okay, so let's read some testimonials. So far this software has been fun to work with. The learning curve was a bit more of a challenge during the first couple of campaigns. However, once I got used to it, I loved working with the software. Writing, posting social media regards to ranking your content is really good. I use it for my client sites, and yesterday I called Steve, the support guy, and requested him to add a new feature inside Syndlab, and they added it. Syndlab is an amazing tool, syndication. Cover much online territory as possible. You see, I like the way you used cover as much online, the way you said it. It is what it is. You know, you take one piece of content. For example, when you want to rank, so you go to an authority site and you do a guest post, right? You give them content, they approve it, you pay for it, and boom, it goes on there, and you have all that traffic coming in from that guest post. What social syndication allows you to do is, instead of getting that boom influx of traffic from putting your content in front of an audience, you have 30 networks all having that content of yours, and that gives you that boost from another angle, from the SEO angle. So I love it. So you basically cover a lot of territory. Amazing software. I've been using it for a while. Social platforms. This one, nothing compares to this. Great software. If you're serious about making money, I recommend this. Best results. Great way to get backlinks and improve your ranking. I love it. I love reading this. A lot of powerful. So you see, basically the idea is you have people who use it from version #1. They're happy. It works. That's great news. But, and it's a big but, when you go ahead and you create your own campaign, okay, you add a campaign name, you do whatever, right? We're gonna create it, and now it asks you to, like I said, add the content and do all the content stuffies. Okay, that's where it gets complicated, because it means that if you want to promote a certain offer, you need to get content for that offer. You need to get the content for an offer. You need to get the video, everything to promote that offer. Okay, this means that every time you want to promote an offer, you need to work your ass off to get materials ready to syndicate. But once you actually get to the syndication, it's awesome. But before you get to the syndication, it sucks. So I want to give you a bonus package that's really going to give you a shortcut and get you better results. This is what I really wanted. This was my vision when I thought about this bonus. I wanted, like, you know, I want to solve as many problems. I want to make their life easier. I want to give them an advantage, and I want to be happy, sleep at night better when I give that bonus. So the problems: you need content, consistent content, and lots of it for Syndlab. You need to use the right keywords, which are long tail and low competition, right? You need to do keyword research. You need right keywords. This all takes time to learn and do, and finding content, creating content. So what I want to give you in my bonus package is, first off, done for you content to syndicate. Just done for you content. Lots and lots of content you can just copy paste into the software and syndicate. You also get a keyword research shortcut training that's going to show you how to find those long tail keywords as effectively as possible. And you also get done for you offers to promote in five niches, I think 4 or 5 niches, and 5 in each niche. And to accompany those, you also get done for you videos to syndicate with Syndlab. So you basically go ahead, you get the offers, okay, in the niches, in those niches. You get videos to put for those niches, and then you get content that you can put and spin, or you can change, you can do whatever you want with the content, and then boom, all together, you're going to promote those offers and make money. But the beauty is that the done for you content I'll give you will work not only for those offers, but for anything you want to promote, for your own offers, for whatever, you know. It's just a lot of content you can play with. Some of it is very general, some of it is very specific, so you can play with it depending what fits you. The idea is to save you time, effort, and to allow you to get started ASAP. That is my bonus package for Syndlab. I'm really happy that I'm giving it away. It's available to the first 50 people to get it through my link only. No exceptions. No, I don't remember the last time I made an exception. And when I say no exceptions, there are no exceptions. So what I would tell you to do right now is, if it's live when you're watching this, go ahead, get Syndlab, get it through my link so you get my bonuses, and you are not going to regret using the software when it comes to rankings. If you want to rank, faster, if you want to rank more effectively, you want Syndlab as your partner. Okay, so go ahead, get the software, get it with my bonuses, and go ahead and crush it. I'll see you on the other side.